Is Toyota late to the party or are they just fashionably late? This is the new all-electric BZ4X, Toyota's first fully electric vehicle, and it comes as a compact SUV or a touring station wagon. 1.1 million rand gets you the compact SUV, or 1.3 million rand gets you the touring. They both ride 215 millimeters from the ground with all-wheel drive, and it will give you over 460 kilometers driving range. The major difference is size. The touring's a lot bigger, and it also comes with a bigger battery. It has functional roof rails with matte wheel cladding and darkened out alloys. The compact SUV is a bit more stylish with a glossed out wheel cladding and two-tone diamond cut alloys. Both models are highly spec'd out with impressive build quality. You get this heated multifunctional steering wheel that feels great in the hand. A driver display up above, massive 14-inch infotainment system screen with built-in sat-nav, a JBL sound system. You also get in 2 wireless charging docks, 2 USB connectivity points, and these seats are very comfortable with side bolstering, and it also has heating and cooling capabilities. And at the rear, there's plenty legroom, plenty headroom, a massive panoramic sunroof. The seats are also heated at the rear, and you're getting 2 cup holders. How cool is this? So do you think that these electric cars will sell? Toyota's projecting to sell 350 units for the year. What do we think about that?